Hey everyone, want to make your Spotify songs blend smoothly into each other instead of that awkward silence? Let me show you how to enable Crossfade. Alright, so first open the Spotify app on your Android phone. You'll land on your home screen with all your playlists and recommendations. Look at the top left corner and tap your profile icon. This opens up your account menu. In this menu, tap Settings and Privacy. This takes you to all of Spotify's settings. Now scroll down until you see Playback and tap on that. This is where all the audio settings live. Scroll down a bit more until you find the Crossfade section. This is what you're looking for. You'll see a slider that goes from 0 to 12 seconds. This controls how long the crossfade lasts, basically how much the songs overlap when transitioning. Just drag that slider to however many seconds you want. If you want a really smooth transition, set it to like 8 or 10 seconds. For a quicker crossfade, maybe 3 or 4 seconds works better. The cool thing is, it applies immediately, no need to save or restart the app. Just start playing music and you'll hear the songs blend together without any awkward gaps or silence.